In Google Sheets, you sometimes want to create a series. So I've got a series here of months. Well, Google Sheets allows you to auto-fill that, so you don't have to type them all in, January, February, March, April. All you do is you highlight the first in the series and the second in the series, and then you can just drag down. And there you're done. Now that doesn't only work for months. We can do that for days of the week. You can do it for the numbers as well. So once again, we mark the first and the second column, and then we hover over this bottom right corner, and then just drag down as far as you want. So let's say that I'm a school teacher with a series of tests. I've got test 1, test 2. Now all I need to do is highlight the first, the second, and then drag across. Now bonus tip, you can also copy the formatting. How cool is that? I'm not really good with colors though, am I?